Hello people, today we are going to talk about top 10 productive things to do in quarantine. At number 10, meditate. Meditation is one of the best things you can do right now to relieve the stress and improve your health. There are plenty of apps that teaches you how to meditate in easiest way possible. We recommend Aura app as it is offering 3 months of free subscription. They give you access to their expert created mindful meditations, life coaching, inspiring stories, music and other things. Number 9. Set up home movie theater. Movie theaters around the world are closed, but that doesn't mean you can't satisfy your movie needs. At home movie projectors are available in smaller sizes than the earlier times, and also they have become less expensive in recent years. These projectors will help you watch latest release or classic movies at the comfort of your home with your friends and family. So what are you waiting for? Make some popcorns, get some soft pillows and enjoy the home movie theater. Number 8. Learn a new language. Now is the best time to learn or practice new language. Learning a new language makes a person confident and broadens one's skill set. Today, bilingual skill is very much in demand all over the world. Duolingo is the best app available to learn a new language. It gives lessons in 35 different languages. Number 7. Improve your immune system. These days, it's more important than ever to build good immune system. Laughter improves your immune as well as your mood because it raises level of antibodies in the blood and of white blood cells. 2 cans of soda impairs the ability of white blood cells to kill bacteria and virus. Use natural sweetener such as one made from stevia plant to boost your immune system. Vitamin C in oranges, limes and grapefruit boost the activity of cells that digest bacteria in blood. The body can't store vitamin C, so you need to consume it every day to improve your immune system. Number 6. Create paintings. Channel your feelings by doing something creative. Painting is a great way to express yourself and let the child inside you get outside and create some magic. Painting also helps you see ordinary things like chairs, sofa, lights, etc. in a whole new way. Number 5. Read happy book. The remedy for all the disturbing news you have been reading lately is to read a book that has happiness, success or another positive subject. To read a happy book, don't rush to a bookstore to buy one, but try ebook because ebooks comes in wide variety and are instantly readable on a device and are 100% virus and bacteria free, making them the perfect activity for those staying home to avoid illness. Number 4. Learn cooking. When you are at home, you eat a lot more than your normal days. Use this time to make the dishes you always wanted to try. Your new hobby of cooking will also get some reactions from your mother or your partner. Make yourself and your buddies a delicious treat by making a simple cake. It will also give you a feel-good boost for accomplishing something fun. Number 3. Exercise. In most part of the world, you are still allowed to go outside for exercise while following quarantine rules by keeping at least 2-meter distance from another person. This is something you should take advantage of daily as exercise and sunshine are 2 key things you can do for mental and physical health. People who are not ready to go outside for exercise can stay at home and do indoor exercises, and one can get plenty of ideas from father of everything, that is internet. Number 2. Connect with school friends. Everybody misses their school friends, but we get such busy in life that we forgot our school friends. This is the time to call your school friends and relive the best phase of your life again by talking about the school time memories and stories. Even you can play virtual games with them and have fun. There are many websites offering free group games including Hearts, Bridge and more. Number 1. Update your resume. Updating resume is one of the tasks we skip in everyday life. We know it's hard and long process, and you should usually have several people look it over to find mistakes, but in quarantine, we have plenty of time to update resume for the next time you find yourself looking for job. Also, don't forget to update your LinkedIn profile too. So people, this is it for today. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. And tell us in comment section that which of these 10 things you are doing while staying at home in this quarantine.